Hello everyone, stocks extend gains for a second day as Nvidia's blowout earnings reignite the AI trade, lifting sentiment across markets. The US100 is up 1.5%, approaching record highs. Bitcoin is trying to stabilize but remains under pressure below 80,000. Elsewhere, the Australian dollar weakens following softer labor market data. This is your midweek technical outlook here at xm.com. Now let's get right to it. Now let's start with the US100 index, which is currently edging higher for the second day after snapping this 3-day pullback from the record high in the previous sessions. Should it resume to the upside, then immediate resistance might come from the 29,676 level, followed by the 30,000 psychological mark in uncharted territory. Now to the downside, strong support lies near the 28,630 level, where price has been consolidating since May 8, and further below the 20-day SMA near the 28,340. A steeper decline would likely target the 27,500 level and then the 27,000 psychological mark, which could cap losses before and protect price action from dropping back to the 50-day SMA near the 26,200 level. Now, the momentum signals are reflecting that the recovery, though, are still lacking strong bullish conviction, as they're both flatlining in positive territories, reflecting this, mirroring this fragile recovery for now. Now let's also have a look at Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is on a sharp pullback from the 0.7150 level. It is currently eyeing support near the 0.70 level and further below the key 50-day SMA that has been capping losses in the last few sessions near the 0.7085 level, and further below the 0.7050 and the 0.7000 psychological mark are the other key level support levels to watch. This is also where the 100-day SMA lies, and it's a floor that hasn't been touched since mid-April. Now to the upside, immediate resistance comes from the 20-day SMA near the 0.7185 level, and higher up the 0.7220 level, a break above which is needed to revive the upside momentum, as price action has now dropped well below the ascending trend line. The momentum signals are reflecting the bearish pressure, with the MACD retreating in positive territory and the RSI falling and flatlining below neutral, suggesting though that price action is likely to continue to consolidate for now within this key SMA, 20-day SMA and 50-day SMA cluster before a move higher. Now let's also have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also under pressure. It's also on a fragile recovery from the 75,600 level and the 50-day SMA after dropping to this area after a pullback from 3-month highs near the 82,500 level, which it has been testing for most of the month. However, it's been facing strong resistance at the 200-day SMA near the 81,500 area, and price action stays since under pressure near the 75,000. Should it pull back, then the decline could hold near the 74,000 level, and then another key support to watch is the 71,300 level, where the floor of this ascending channel lies intact since early February. So a break below this area would accelerate the bearish momentum. Now to the upside, the largest cryptocurrency needs to clear the 28 SMA just below the 80,000 psychological mark and the 200-day SMA near the 81,500 so that it could reclaim further upside and the monthly highs near the 82,500 level, and this would be the key test in order to revive upside momentum for Bitcoin. Now the momentum signals are reflecting this consolidation, as the bullish conviction is lacking for now, with both the RSI and the MACD flatlining, suggesting that the price might pause in this area before its next move. Now that's all for today's market wrap. Thank you for watching.